Okay, so it's late at night, and while trying to get a build out, Unity has crashed. Now, I don't know when I last saved, but luckily, whenever you enter play mode, Unity actually saves a scene temporarily. So let me show you how you can get that. So what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to close out of Unity. And you know it's bad when you have to enter in Task Manager. There we go, now it's crashed. Now we want to go into our files and find the Unity scene. Note, do not reopen the project, otherwise it will delete the temporary file that we're looking for. And now that we've found the file, we just want to go into temp, and we've got backup scenes file. So I'm going to grab this, I'm going to go Control C, then we're going to come into our assets, and I'm just going to paste this in here. Now, this is our backup scene, so I'm going to call this something like last saved scene. And then we want to rename it so we had .backup, but what we want is a .unity file. It will then give us a warning to say, it might be unstable if you change the file, yada yada yada. We just want to click yes. And now what we have is a Unity scene file. And what we can do is we can come into our scenes, and we can see that the default world one is also a .unity file. In fact, for cleanliness, let me just grab my last saved scene and put that in there. Cool, so now we should try open up that scene. So we just want to come back into the VRChat Creator Companion and open up our project. And now that we've reloaded the project, you won't see anything different because I've only just changed a bunch of values. But in order to open up our other scene, we just want to come into Assets, find our scenes, and then we want to click on Last Saved Scene, which is what we renamed our backup to. We can double click that to open it. And now we can see that it's opened up that scene, and we have exactly what I saw before. Now, unfortunately, you won't see anything visually different because all I was doing was playing with some values since I last saved. But hopefully this shows you how you can bring back a project, and honestly, I'm shocked this isn't a default Unity feature. Like Blender's last quick save or whatnot. Anyways, hope you found this helpful. Feel free to leave a like if you like to leave a comment down below with any questions. Feel free to check my links to my Patreon, Ko-Fi, and Discord down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!